let's take a look at how to use OneNote. I'm using my daughter's student iPad so that we can take a look at the access as it appears to all of you students. We want to find OneNote app. It is a purple app with OneNote. Remember that you can always swipe down and search for the name of the app as well. So if I type in OneNote, here's the app. I can go ahead and open it. Once the app loads, you might be asked to sign in. Once you sign in, though, it is going to remember you. We are going to open up the class notebook, and you see on here that I have Geometry Fall 2020 already loaded because I was already testing with that particular device. In case you don't see it, you can try to open up your recent notebooks, and you will be looking for Geometry Fall 2020. Alternatively, you can also open up your class OneNote through Schoology and then clicking on OneNote from the left-hand side. Once you find your notebook on the left-hand side, you will be looking for your name on the very bottom. Here's my daughter's name. When I tap on the arrow right next to it, you're able to see each one of the tabs for our virtual notebook. We have class notes, we have handouts, homework, as well as quizzes. Once you tap on class notes, you will actually be able to annotate all the lessons on here. This is something that I was testing with. I definitely thought it was a little confusing to use. I can go ahead and delete that now. We will be pushing out each one of the lessons for you. So you should be able to see what are the learning targets and success criteria for each of the lessons. After that, you are going to see warm-up. You are going to see the actual lesson activity, possibly another lesson, depending on what we're doing for the day, as well as your lesson summary. Note that from here, I can tap on any one of these pages, hold it, and then I can move the order if I wanted to. I do have the option of adding sub-pages or taking a sub-page and moving it out into its own page. You have the option of making edits from here. If you wanted to add something to your lesson summary, you can either go to Insert, and as you tap anywhere on the page, it will allow you to type in. You can insert audio, you can insert a file, you can insert a picture that you took, or you can even insert directly from your camera. You have the option of drawing as well. If you go to draw, I can go ahead and select my pen. And I can add a particular note. I can say that I can go ahead and notate when exactly is my exponential function going to start growing faster than my quadratic function. Note that through this OneNote, we're actually able to see your work almost as you are completing it. We are able to pull up each one of your notebooks, and we can view your class notes or your homework, any of those assignments. We can grade directly from here. If I were to go in and grade Juliana Gallo's work on here, I can go ahead and grab a different color marker, and I can either tell her that she's right or tell her that she needs to work harder. I hope that helps.